Welcome back to another episode of the Backyard Dude. What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be focusing on a Chevy Silverado 1500 LS. A good friend of ours asked us to take a look at this truck. What happened was that the transmission, the reverse went out on it and the second and third gear went out on it. So we're going to do a transmission swap for him. And then we're also going to take off the stickers. He wants to get rid of all those stickers on that truck. And so let's get into the show. Yeah. First, we want to give you an update on the 0 to 60 times with Andrew. So let's turn it over to Andrew.
Last time we talked about the Jetta and its performance. We did some performance tests and runs to get a 0 to 60 time. We were comparing with the race chip to see what kind of tuned performance we could get out of it.
And we actually went from 11 seconds down to 9.79.
But after doing some research, it's interesting because the published 0 to 60 times are all listed as under 8 seconds, meaning the Jetta isn't actually slow. Which left us with a question of why was our stock performance runs over 10.5 seconds most of the time, and after the chip, 8.9. So we're going to be investigating that a little bit. It's not as if Volkswagen has ever gotten around standardized testing for performance. So we'll be looking into that, but we also have some things planned to get even more performance out of the Jetta in upcoming episodes. So definitely stay tuned for that. In the meantime, let's get back to the truck.
All right, thank you very much, Andrew, on that update for the Jetta. As Andrew mentioned, we've got some exciting things coming up for the Jetta. On the next episode, we're going to be putting in an exhaust. So stay tuned for that new exhaust and what it looks like and how the back end of the car is going to change. But right now, we've actually got a pleasant surprise. The owner of this truck, where we're removing all the stickers and then changing out the transmission, actually showed up with his new truck that he bought. That's kind of why we're fixing this truck, so he can sell it. But let's check out his new truck. It's a Dodge. So it looks like he picked up a 2018 Dodge 1500 with the Hemi. Ooh, yeah, Hemi. I said it, Hemi. Woo! It actually has 19,000 miles on it, so he actually got a pretty good truck, low miles, 2018. It's really clean inside. You check it out. It's got all the latest technology that came in 2018, but it's really clean. The owner, it was a lease return, so the owner kept it in pretty good shape. And of course, you know, Dodge are famous for all their storage under everything, the seats, under the floorboards, so that's kind of cool. So we just thought you'd show his new truck. But if you're ever in the area and you want to have your home inspected, check out Steve's Marquee Business. All right, let's get back into it. Yeah. All right, so now we're going to get back into it. We're going to go ahead and start taking off the stickers, like we mentioned. So we're going to use the gun, heat them up, and see if that kind of loosens up the adhesive on the back, and then just pull them off. So you can see, actually heating them up helps a lot. Once you heat it up a little bit, it kind of actually peels up, makes it a little bit easier to peel off. So we went ahead and got all the stickers off the truck, and as you can see, when we go ahead and wash this, we'll have some cleanup to do. But we basically removed all the stickers all along this side, and then the back of the tailgate you can still see a little bit. And then this whole side is removed. And so basically, still a little bit of an outline that we'll have to clean up on the sticker when we wash it. But basically what we're going to do now is jack up the truck and get into the transmission. So let's get into it. Yeah. You want to prep the other side over there? All right, I think we're good. Now let's crawl under and get dirty. So we are about to take out the drive line, so that we can get to the rear transfer case. So we taped the ends so that our caps wouldn't come off. Right there, as you can see. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put the transmission in. It came in yesterday, and so I got my helper Lorenzo with me, and we're going to go ahead and put that transmission in. So stay tuned. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be finishing up this Chevy Silverado. We're going to do a complete interior and exterior detail. So that's a wrap for this truck. We went ahead and changed out the transmission, so it's up and running, runs really good. And then, you know, with a 2003 Silverado, any vehicle that's that old, there's going to be some other things that you just got to fix. So we went ahead and fixed all those little minor issues. Took off all his information, kind of buffed it up, cleaned it up for him so that he can go ahead and sell it. If you like the content of this show, go ahead and like and subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the better our content's going to be. So we'll see you on the next one.